Welcome back to the Billiard Corner. In today's episode, I'm going to do an in-depth review of the Pechauer Rogue. Is it Pechauer? Pechauer? I'll let you guys argue in the comments below. Before we start this video, make sure you hit the like button to support this channel. It really helps me out with that out of the way. Let's go and get started. The most popular carbon fiber shafts has been the Predator Revo and the Cuetec Cynergy. Unlike the Cuetec Cynergy and the Mezz Ignite, the Pechauer Rogue comes in 3 different tip sizes: 11.8, 12.4, and 12.8. This is actually really nice because you're able to choose the tip size you're most comfortable with. The Rogue also comes with many different types of joints to choose from, so you're most likely able to fit it with any cue that you have. What's really cool about the Rogue is you're also able to order in 30 inches, which is a huge plus. Now, depending on the tip size you choose, they're going to come with different tapers. The 11.8 comes with a modified straight taper. The 12.4 comes with a 16-inch slow rise taper. And the 12.8 comes with a 12-inch slow rise taper. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a modified straight taper? I have here the 11.8 Rogue, and the taper feels pretty interesting. It feels like a conical taper up to around here. And from here to the tip, it feels like a straight taper. It feels pretty comfortable in my hand, but it's definitely something to consider. All the Rogue shafts come with their own Pechauer Gold medium tip, but honestly it feels really soft when you're hitting with it. Now on the website it says these shafts come with their noise dampening core that's supposed to mimic the hit and sound of wood. These are very bold claims from Pechauer. It definitely doesn't have a tinky hit like the Revo, it has more of a soft, tonky hit. The hit really reminds me of the OB shafts that used to have the maple ferrules. The shaft comes with a 1/8 inch ferrule, which helps with aiming and keeping the deflection low. The shaft feels really smooth in the hand, and the carbon fiber has a really interesting texture. Pechauer has been known to produce very high quality cues, and this shaft is no exception. Let's go and perform a deflection test. This is soft. That's about 3/4 of an inch. This is medium. That's a little over an inch. And this is firm. That's about 1 3/8 inches. As you can see, the shaft itself has very low deflection. Let's go ahead and do a couple test hits so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I personally don't think the shaft sounds quite like wood, but it's close. It has more of a soft, tonky hit. The shaft can move the cue ball pretty easily and generate quite a bit of spin. Let me show you some examples. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of this shaft. The shaft itself is very low deflection and can generate a lot of spin. Because the Rogue is carbon fiber, it's pretty stiff and can transfer a lot of energy to the cue ball. I really like the fact that this shaft has a white ferrule to assist with aiming. The shaft is sting resistant, warp resistant, and stays clean for a really long time. Pechauer says the Rogue comes with a noise dampening core, and you can really feel it whenever you're using this shaft. The hit itself is very soft and doesn't have much vibrations, which could be a positive or a negative depending on your preferences. The fit and finish of the shaft is also very high quality, which is not surprising from Pechauer. Alright, I think that's all I got for you guys today. I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Tony for letting me borrow this shaft to review for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more pool related content in the future. If you guys want to join my Facebook groups, I'll post the links in the description below. See you guys next time.